Hello, how you doing? So, gonna get some potatoes, boil them, mash them, add some fried onions and some little spices and that, make them into little balls, pop them in the oven, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. They're nice and soft, aren't they? Beautiful stuff. Off goes the heat, drain them off, get the potatoes back into the pan, potato masher time. Okay, so water's been drained off. There they are, potato masher. Now I'm gonna do these straight. So sometimes, you know, when I'm making mash, I'll put some butter in, some black pepper, a little bit of milk, some cream, maybe cheese. This time, just completely straight. Get in there, give it a bit of elbow grease, as we call it. Get it nice and mashed. And there we go, lovely mash. Let's move on. Okay, so our mashed potato is done. In here, I've got some olive oil, about 3 tablespoons, and I've got 2 cups of onions. I'm using red onion, use a different color if you want. And I've sliced my onions. You can cut them really small if you fancy that. Medium heat, about 4 minutes. They're cooking really nicely. Tablespoon garlic, teaspoon each, salt and pepper, and I'm going for paprika and thyme, but you can change that if you want. Keep it moving now for about 2 minutes. Fabulous, off goes the heat. I'm now going to put in here a nice big handful of chopped parsley. And again, a little mix, job done. We can move on and get back to our potatoes. Okay, so look, I've only used about half of the potatoes that we cooked, so there's about 5 or 6 cups there in total. There's our onion mixture. Very simply, little mix, back in a moment. Okay, so what I've done is got them into a oven-proof dish. I'm using glass, you can use ceramic, you can use metal. You can see I've kind of made them into some balls. They're quite hefty things, you know, that kind of size. Do them whatever shape and size you want. Really, really hot oven, maximum heat, 15-20 minutes. I'm not going to put any oil in, but if you want, you could put just a little bit of oil in there. But yeah, really simple. Bang them in. They're going to look great. Yeah, about 20 minutes they were for me, maximum heat. Really delicious. You can see they've kind of flattened out a bit more like cakes now, not balls. But yeah, really lovely little stuff. Hope you enjoyed them. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.